Okay, this will be a very short tutorial, but I spent a lot of time, yeah, frustrating about this. That's the Photoshop's bucket fill tool. Basically, if you're drawing something, I got a really goofy, like a drawing, just to test some of the AI. Okay, I just intentionally doing something like a chibi, but it's really dumb and see the result. It doesn't really matter. I just use this as an example of color field. Okay, so if you don't know, if you just use like a G, okay, you just G and you got like a color field, and you select a specific color and you select here and you got like a pen pockets field. Okay, really simple. But if you look at here, you will find that we got some of the the line at here. There's some part of it like a white line here that you don't want. Okay, so for example, if I fill his face with that color, you can still see some of the a really weird line here. Let me just use another example so you guys can see it more clearly. Okay, so let's fill that. And for example, if I this guy's eye, right now this guy is like a transparent, and I want it to be color filled with like a white color, so I can just click it. As you can see, this part is not covered. Okay, so I might change the brush to manually adding the here, or you can use a lasso tool. Okay, and so that's a problem. That's a problem. Always be a problem for me. Until I find that you can at least have 2 or 3 ways to solve this. Okay, so let me show you. So first, one way of doing this is by using the a double click or triple click method. Let me show you. Okay, so let's just use a brush to maybe just draw a circle. Okay, so for example, I got a circle like this. I want to fill that. So G, and then get a really white background and really dark inside. Okay, so you guys can see it more clearly. Then get this line here. But instead of just doing a brush and doing that manually, you can just click the bucket fill tool twice. Okay, so if you click that, you can get a more a refined, extend this a little bit so you can fill other area. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, sometimes 2 is not enough, so 3, 4, 5, something like that. Okay, I'm going to use a different color so you guys can see more clearly. Let me just get maybe blue. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. As I click multiple times, we just expand. This is very convenient. I think it's I use this method a lot of times when I don't need this drawing to be 100% accurate. I use this method. Of course, there is another method, and hopefully you guys may already know. Is use the wand, this magic wand tool. Once you select it, you click this, you got all this selected. But instead of just using maybe a shift and F5 to fill the color with that specific color, maybe a double click this. If you can't see the color, you just need to select this, then you can get a specific color, for example red, and then OK, and OK, you can feel that. But once you command D to deselect it, you can still see this got a gap. And instead of just to fill that, while you're selected, you select and you modify the selection by expand a little bit. Okay, expand by a few pixels, then you can more select more. But normally it will work when the the line art is really thin. Okay, so if it's not too thin, you might need to adjust the pixel. And then while you selected Shift and F5, okay, we'll fill that maybe 100% of the specific color, and let me just use like a pinkish color. Okay, and this fill. And of course, Command D, deselect G gradient, just not gradient, so like a bucket fill. It can also be served as a gradient tool, but right now it's like a bucket fill, and you can like use that method to like doing that multiple times. Okay, then you will like eventually cover most of the area. Okay, that's like two ways that I think like I'm used most. I think the method I use most is like a double click or triple click. That depends on the drawing. And if I would like something really refined, I would do the magic wand selection as well as the like a Shift and F5 field. Okay, and that's currently what I solve this problem. And if you got like a new ways to solve this, please leave it in the comment section below. And if this video is helpful, please give me a thumb up. Okay, thanks.